Welcome to the Daily Tagalog, your space for simple, clear, and friendly Tagalog lessons. One phrase at a time. Today's phrase is one of the most useful greetings in Tagalog. Kamusta or Kumusta. Both spellings are correct. Kumusta is closer to the original Spanish phrase, ¿Cómo está?, while Kamusta is the more casual, commonly used version in everyday conversations. Here's how you can use it in conversation. Kamusta ka? Mabuti naman. Salamat. To sound more polite, just add po. Say, Kamusta po? When speaking to someone older or in formal settings. And that's your first Tagalog phrase. Want to learn more? Subscribe to the Daily Tagalog and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next.